When a loved one is on hospice and they are actively dying, this means that they are not alert, they're not awake, they're not conscious, they are not responding to any sort of stimuli around them. And you might also hear a rattling or gurgling sound coming from the back of their throat, and you'll hear it every time they breathe. Or maybe you'll only hear it in certain positions. It oftentimes does depend on how much fluid they already have in their body. The drier they are, so the less fluid they've had, the more dehydrated they also tend to have less of this rattling or gurgling sound coming from the back of their throat every time they breathe. This rattling or gurgling, you might hear it referred to as the death rattle. We also call it terminal secretions, and it's a completely normal and natural part of the dying process. This is expected and normal, and not something to worry or stress about. It is also very normal at this time to occasionally see someone reflexively cough. If someone does cough, sometimes you'll see that the face changes and you might think, oh, they're in distress. But what you'll notice is that immediately after they try to cough, their face will totally relax again. Sometimes the body and the face will just naturally and reflexively sort of change when you're trying to produce energy to cough. No, the dying person is not choking. They are not suffering. This is really causing us way more distress than it is for them. My name is Katie Duncan. I'm a nurse practitioner and an end-of-life coach. You can follow me for more end-of-life education.